Yo, 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 what's good, everyone? I'm a little sick right now, so excuse my voice. We are continuing the week 3 of building a supplement brand from zero. Last week, we were going to up the volume of the TikTok shop to about 2 videos a day, testing new hooks. But the plan has changed once I started building that Shopify store that we were talking about, so we can start cross posting. So the update is we have kind of built out the store a little bit. I'm not where I want it at the moment. I need some more social proof, some better testimonials, images of real people like holding the supplement bottle and like being happy and stuff like that, just to make it look more branded before I start pushing out hella creatives on organic and cross posting those across all of the platforms. And then once the site is to where I want it, then I will start running the Facebook ads and just testing about 10 different angles for Lion's Mane. And then once that testing goes through, when we find a winning angle, 10 more of the creatives in the Facebook library, but we're not too deep into that. The main objective is finish the site. And since last week, we have gotten some pretty good work. We did set up a subscribe and save option, which is super nice for supplements. So really excited to get that implemented with the proper discount to incentivize those subscriptions so we can get recurring revenue. It's all coming together, but it's super slow at the moment. I do need to update the widget, but I will show you guys the site. It looks pretty good, but not anywhere near as what I wanted. But yeah, so let's get into computer and I'll show you guys what we're working with this week. Yo, what's up, everybody? We in the store now. Just gonna walk through this. We have free shipping on orders over $50. This is gonna incentivize people ordering 2 at a time. We have the 500 happy customers, which is a part of the social proof. $10 off Black Friday pre-sale. This needs to be changed to 25% off because that is just a better way to perceive that value. And we're gonna change this here. And then we have the reviews. I'm going to up this to about 300 and then up this to about 1,000 happy customers. We have the icons for the product benefits, focus, memory, cognition, a little bit more about the product certifications here. And then the best part of it all with consumable products, the subscribe and save option. Save 15% off when you put yourself on a subscription. This is beautiful here. And this widget is going to change. I don't really like this tag. This is going to be removed. I'm also going to just possibly add some quantity breaks in here as well. This is a work in progress, but this is just the update. It's time to level up at Quality Dose, and then this is just more about the brand. We got the images here. These images are beautiful, but this is lacking. We are going to get some human faces in these, just get some models. And then we have some more product benefits here with the nice little icons. I'm going to change this to be a different mushroom. I don't really like that. And then the customer results, we are going to have a template here. This is going to be like, it's going to look like it's on an actual Instagram post. And this is where the models holding the different products are going to be, just to add a little bit more social proof. But this is just a placeholder at the moment. And yeah, that's it for here. And then we have the product images, the quality difference, nature to you with the label, and just more branded assets here. This is going to change. We're going to do a photo shoot and get this better image. This is just another placeholder, but it does the job. And so we're going to walk through it on mobile because this is most important. Free shipping, boom, boom. Just swipe through here. Super nice. Get some human faces on there. Then we need more reviews. I'm gonna add some urgency. Shout out Andrew, and then possibly a low stock reminder. And yeah, this is what we got so far. And this is the update. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like this one, you'll probably like the last video I posted, just going over a little bit of the journey. Stay tuned.